I recently picked this Bulldog open on my channel, and I'd not picked a Bulldog before, and I've been waiting a while to get one. Nice locks. And lo and behold, just like public transport, you wait for one and two turn up. So I've got another one now. They look similar, but I have noticed one thing what's different with them. The post inside this one is a bigger diameter than the post inside that one. I don't know if you can tell from there, but I can show you by trying to put the key out of the older one in there. It doesn't fit. And when I first got this lock, I was going to pick it with this tension tool, but I couldn't because it didn't fit. I had to use a different tension tool. But now I can use this tension tool for this one because it's got a smaller post. So even though they look the same, they're not quite the same. You can see the post inside is a bit smaller. And this one is a hell of a lot harder to pick than that one was. So I have picked it, but it puts up a real good fight, this does. And I've picked a few of these type of locks. And this is probably one of the harder ones out of these 5-lever sort of Old English style locks without false gates in I've picked. So, right, let me show you it working. Let's see if we can pick it on camera. Like I say, this one does put up a fight. I know these are normally pretty simple to pick. You can also overlift these sometimes, but I've tried an overlifter in this one as well, and it's not having none of it. That's the key for it. So, right, let's see if we can pick it on camera. I've actually picked Chub Cruisers and, what's the other ones? God, my mind's gone blank. I'll think of it in a minute as I'm picking it. I've actually picked Chubs anyway, which are a lot harder than this. I'm losing the plot today. I've actually picked Chub Cruisers, what are a lot easier than this. So let's see if we can get into it. Right, I'll do it in my hand and I'll hopefully be able to tension it all right like that. Right, let's have a go. I'm having one of them bad days this morning. Got a little tiny bit of movement then. I still can't think of the Chub, you know. You got Chub Cruisers. And what's the other one? Battleship, that's it. I've got some more movement then, by the way. Chub Battleships. And I find this, actually, even though there's no false gates in it, a trickier lock to pick. And yet that other Bulldog was pretty easy to get into. With this, you've really got to just touch the levers up ever so slightly and then just keep moving on to the next. I did get some movement to start with, but it's gone a little bit springy in it again there. A little bit of a click out that back one then. A bit of movement again. A little bit more movement. You see what I mean when I say you've just got to work on them and just slightly touch them up. This certainly deserves its name, the Bulldog, because it's fighting like a bulldog. But I have picked it, so I know I can get into it. But I do know it's a stubborn little lock. I think we're almost there now. Yeah, we're almost there. Getting bits of movement. There we go. We get it. So like I say, that is one stubborn little lock. That's the older style Bulldog with the smaller diameter post. So yeah, they look the same, but that's certainly a lot trickier to pick than that was. Anyway, that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try it a bit.